Welcome to Strange Sounds, the idosa.com series about strange, supernatural, or odd audio. The hum, or the Taos hum, is a low hum emanating from the earth. It cannot be heard by humans. However, in 1990, incredibly sensitive seismographs were able to record the sound of the earth. Computer models found that the humming vibrations occur around and inside the earth at all times. Imagine every ocean wave hitting the shore and the seabed in a slow rhythm. Ocean waves create faint seismic waves with very slow sound frequencies. A theory is that the longest of these waves is the Taos hum. Decide for yourself, as we will now play the Taos hum.